Oh, the pain, the pain, the pain. Oh my God. I get to see another specialist today. Get an opinion. What we can do. Probably the physio has stirred things up a bit. Don't leave home without it. Don't leave home without it. There we go. Oh. It is good. It surely is. Oh, that bit. Oh. Now we're getting somewhere. Pain level, that's actually at a number 11. We'll get there. Right here, oh my God, right here. Fuck. Oh, getting some clinkage. Oh, did you hear that? Freaking elbow, right there. The carpal tunnel. On that bit. Oh my God. Makes you sick. Feeling about it, yes. Oh. Something going on there. Here, 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 and here. A little bit here and here. Oh, that bit. I forgot about that. The infraspinalis. This is what we've been grinding on the wall. It's getting better. Oh, this bit. Oh my God. Oh, you can put too much of this stuff on. Or can you? And there we have it. We're all ready for the doctor's appointment. I'll be driving there. Viewers, welcome back. The appointment isn't for hours, but I will be early, turning up there Don't want to be late. I'm going to be driving there the whole way doing this. The other hand on the steering wheel, doing the gear changes, although fortunately I have an automatic. And I'll probably leave there doing this as well. And he won't say, dude, how are you going with the pain management? I'm going to tell him. If it wasn't for the physio exercises, I'd be in a world of pain. The pain management only just takes the edge off. Oh, and it doesn't deal with the dizziness and the blurred vision. Oh, and the nausea. Oh my God. Oh, did you hear that? I did. Not the school bell, my neck. Oh my God. Yes, that was the school bell going. The kids up the road at the school. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, did you hear that? Oh my goodness.